Students, so today I start with your chemistry practical, and the first practical is your to studies the properties of diluted HCl, that is by its reaction with your litmus solution. Litmus solution, that is two categories, blue and red. Second is your when the diluted acid HCl, that is your treated with zinc metal, here the use of zinc granules. And third is the use of reactivity of solid sodium carbonate. So whole of the practical is to study the properties of an acid dilute HCl by its reaction with litmus solution, blue and red. Second is your zinc metal, and third is your solid sodium carbonates. Okay students, now I am going to run up these practicals. For these practicals, they have some requirements. First is your diluted HCl. Second is your zinc metal. Okay, that is the zinc metal of granules. Okay, you can see that is a zinc metal of granules. Okay. Third is your when the use of litmus solution, that is the blue litmus solution, that is the red. Third is the solid sodium carbonate. Okay, and the use of that is a burettes, test tube stands and some burettes. Okay. So first, when the diluted diluted HCl reacted with your zinc metal or litmus solution as a sodium carbonates, so what will happen during the chemical reactions? Okay. According to the practical, that is the first practicals. Here the use of blue litmus of solution, that is treated with diluted HCl. What will the reaction? So you can see that is the blue color of solution. When add the diluted HCl, that is converted into the red solution of blue litmus to converted into red solutions. So okay, that means the solution of HCl, that is in water, is your acidic in a natures. Okay, now that is the second. When take off the test tube, that is the red solution in test tube, and when enter the diluted HCl, what will the product formation here, what happened the reaction? So you can see that is a no color change of in the red litmus of solution. When the add of diluted HCl in the red litmus of solution in test tube, there is the no color change formation. Okay. Now second is your when the zinc metal, that is take in the test tube. Okay, so that is your zinc granules. Okay, that is take in the test tube. When that reacted with your diluted HCl, that is converted into the hydrogen gas, they evolve the colorless gas and they produce the pop sound. Okay, so I will enter the diluted HCl in this test tube. Okay, so you can see that is the fumes for the evolution of hydrogen gas. Okay, and you can sound this hydrogen gas, that is a pop sound. So I hope you can hear the pop sound of hydrogen gas. So this is the evolution of hydrogen gas. Okay. Third reactivity we study when the solid sodium carbonate, that is treated with diluted HCl, what will the product formation? So during the enter the diluted HCl in the test tube, they produce your colorless, okay, odorless gas and brisk apheresis. Okay, here you can see that is the evolution of colorless and odorless gas. Okay, so when add the some amount of diluted HCl in this test tube, so you can see that is the colorless and odorless gas. Okay, and they produce the carbon dioxides. Okay, They produce the carbon dioxides. So this is the whole about practicals when the diluted HCl they reacted with your different solutions, that is like your blue litmus solution, zinc metals and solid sodium carbonates. Okay, so students, thank you and have a nice day.